Start.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come. Take your seat. Did I ask you to sit?
Sorry, sir.
Take your seat. Today I will assign you a task.
What is the task?
Wait, let me explain to you. Do you know why you did not become director till now?
I don't know, sir.
The reason is you are overactive.
Sir,
Okay, I'll tell you the task. There will be a assistant director accompanying you. You inform him that he should allow the people attending the audition. Wait. Take your seat. And also inform him that he should arrive at my chamber after 1 hour after the auditions are complete. Go.
sir. Are you the new assistant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take your seat. Actually, the director ordered you to send the people who are coming for the auditions to his office.
Sir, I don't know the office.
Okay. Follow this. By this, we can guide them to the officer's room.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Today the people came for the audition, right?
Yeah,
we are
sir.
seeing the people for auditions.
We are here for the audition, sir.
Actually, you should move on to room number 202.
Okay, sir.
I would guide you. First, go straight on.
Okay.
From there, take left at the corner.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Move to some distance. From there, take right.
Yes,
There will be senior stairs.
Yes, sir.
Walk behind the stairs and move on to the left.
Okay, sir.
There will be find room number 202, which is quite opposite to instrumental room.
Sir, the whole zone is a little confusing.
Sir, please guide us, sir.
Sure, definitely. Come with me. Come, follow me. Here it is chamber. You can go on and carry on.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Are you because? Why were you here now? Oh, you are the people. So more and come one by one.
What is it? You have to be the Can you go first? No, you just go first.
You
are the go.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is it's Aditya, sir.
Okay, it's Aditya.
No, it's just Aditya.
Okay, Aditya. Okay, make a walk.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you make a jam session?
Yes, sir. I can make it answer. So here
Start.
I am here to present a jam session about teachers. Teachers are the living backbones of India. They teach so many students who later become the great scientists and great minds of India. All teachers are respected by our students so that their teachers can make them more disciplinary in action. Teachers are as nearly as parents like after mother and father. So I want all people to respect our teachers.
Okay, fine. What are your extra activities you can perform?
I can smile very well, sir.
Okay, one straight. What is this? Okay. Take this.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
I'm ready.
What?
Niranjan Reddy, sir.
Okay.
Niranjan Reddy.
Okay, show me your work. Okay, right. Can you narrate a story?
Yes, sir. Actually, there was an old man. He was having 3 sons. One spot happened is they went apart, and the old man decided to unite them again. So he gave sticks to all of them.
A little bit slower.
Sorry, sir. So he gave.
Not the voice.
Okay.
The way you-
So he gave sticks to all of them, and he gave one stick to all of them, and then he told them to break that. Then all of them were able.
Okay, it's too slow, but I like your variations you were selected. Next. Okay, what's your name? Can you show me your book? Can you walk fast?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Slow. Okay. Then what are your extra things you can do?
I can dance.
Okay, show me your dance. Can you imitate any others?
Yes.
You were selected.
Thanks.
Actually, I want to describe how a hero should be. He should be tall. Nowadays, everyone are liking the heroes who are tall with six pack. He should be looking good, and he should be able to perform various characters. So you three don't have any such characters, but you should develop it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
You three of them discuss and can make a role play, you know.
Oh, yes, sir. We can.
Okay, stop.
Niranjan, can I come in?
Yeah, sure, Abhi.
Hi, Niranjan. How
Hi,
are
how
you?
are you? Fine.
So, how is it?
I'm fine. Actually, I've got a thing to tell you.
Oh, what is it?
I've ordered a car in Snapdeal, you know.
Oh, where is it? I want to play with it.
Play with it? No, it's a real car, not a
Real
toy.
car?
Yeah.
Do you think there's a calculator in my ears?
No, that's real.
Oh.
I've ordered it.
How on world on Snapdeal you bought a real car?
They are selling it, you know.
Oh,
It will
really?
be there in about 5-10 minutes.
Oh, really?
Oh, wait.
Can
I'm getting a call. Yeah, hello. Yeah. It's here, it seems.
Okay, fine.
I'm coming. Yeah, come.
Sir, here you go.
Oh, thank you. Wow,
Oh, amazing. Let's
see,
go for
See, I've told you, no?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
Yeah, surely.
So, we finished our role play, sir.
Okay.
How was it, sir?
Okay, it's good. You can take your seats.
Thanks.
What are you doing here? Sir, you should be inside, right? What put you doing downstairs? There is audition is going on.
I called you to my chamber for the auditions.
Sir, already audition is going on, sir.
Who is conducting the auditions?
Good afternoon,
Who are
sir.
these people?
These are people who came for the auditions.
They are selected or what?
Yes, sir. I have selected few of them.
On what basis?
On everything, sir.
For example,
What I feel that, for example, he can laugh very well, sir.
he.
He can dance very well and imitate, sir.
Wait. You come.
Sir,
Just walk from here to there. Okay, it's enough. You
He can dance and he can imitate, sir.
imitate.
He can imitate very well my soap and Pawan, sir.
He.
He has a talent of converting Telugu dialects into English.
Oh, very nice talent. Okay, sir. Speak.
I'll show you one, sir. Mother palm is horizontal cut.
Okay, it was nice. But speak some dialogue in Telugu.
He don't know Telugu, sir, actually. He's from Pawan.
How can you select him for a Telugu movie then?
I thought we can do it in dubbing.
Yeah, I can. There are no people else. Only these three.
Yes, sir. This three. And myself, sir.
Huh?
Myself.
What you can do?
I can do anything.
No, you can't do anything. Can you do acting?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have trained these three people.
No, you can't do acting. Because always, whatever may be the task I give you, you rush to do it and you give the wrong output.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll assign you a task. What is? That is, you go to your home and prepare one more request for auditions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thanks.
Stop. Take questions.